Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious oven baked chicken wings. To get started, I already went ahead and prepped and washed my chicken wings in lemon juice, and I'll be using some ketchup, chief Chinese sauce, barbecue sauce, and some fresh green seasoning. Now if you can't find Chief Chinese sauce, you can use Hoisin sauce. That's the closest thing to it. I know that Chief Chinese sauce is a Caribbean thing and it may not be found in American grocery store. Now for the dry seasoning, I have garlic powder, onion powder, some black pepper, paprika, bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and some chicken seasoning. So the first thing you want to do is combine all of the dry seasonings, mix well and set that aside. Then we'll go ahead and combine all of our sauces and set that aside. Next, you want to add all of your dry seasoning as well as the fresh green seasoning to the chicken. Mix until well combined and make sure that the chicken is nicely coated with the seasoning. I will leave a link down in the description box for the green seasoning, but if you don't have it or you don't feel like making it, you can simply leave it out. The chicken will still taste amazing. Once we're done seasoning that chicken, we will add half of that sauce to the chicken and we will mix that in as well, and then we will cover this and allow it to rest for about an hour or two. So now you want to transfer your chicken wings to a baking dish and just add all the remaining seasoning and sauce that's left at the bottom of the bowl over top. Then we will cover this and place it in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. Now if your oven is super high in heat, because everybody's oven cook different, so if yours is super high in heat, you might want to lower it to like 375. After about an hour, this is what the chicken is looking like. Next, we will add the remaining sauce that we mixed up in that bowl over top. You want to brush it on nicely. And then we'll place this back into the oven, uncovered this time, for about 20-25 minutes. You just want the chicken to get a nice char over top. And then I'll show you all the finished product. After about an hour and 25 minutes, my chicken wings are finally done. They smell and look divine. Let me tell you, this here is a staple in my home. My whole family love it. The chicken falls off the bone and I can't wait for you all to try it. Now I did serve it up with some mashed potatoes and some collard greens. Very, very simple dinner, but it was absolutely divine. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I used down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.